India is a vibrant democracy that signifies unity in diversity. Many religions, many languages, many castes, yet a single united country. The largest democracy in the world, with over 1 billion people and also with the highest population of youth in a single country. Upon the shoulders of these young men and women lies the destiny of India. In the near future, as the old leaders of the country make way for the youth to take charge of the nation, the youth of today will have to work with great diligence and care in order to lead the country to a position of great strength on the world scene. Realizing the responsibility thrust upon them, Shri Rahul V. Karad, the young and dynamic Vice President and Executive Director of MIT Group of Institutions, Pune, conceived the idea of imparting education and training in politics and the art of good governance to the youth as early as in 2005, when he founded the MIT School of Government, Pune.
What way this school can contribute, and we are talking about making change, and educated youth must come in politics. That was our motto in the year 2005.
MIT School of Government is the first and only school in India and Asia to conduct a year-long residential program to train the educated youth of India for a career in politics. Nearly 350 alumni of MIT School of Government are now associated with different political parties of India in various capacities. In order to invite the participation of more and more youth in the political process of the country, Shri Rahul Karad conceived of a new thought in 2011. Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad, or Indian Students' Parliament. It brought together student leaders from different universities across the country on a single common platform to voice their opinions and make their voices heard across the length and breadth of the country. Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is the Asia's biggest classroom with over 10,000 student leaders who learn from eminent personalities from different fields, who guide them on how they can participate in developing a better country.
Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is a platform which is like a breeding ground for the future politicians of India.
For 3 days, the students are exposed to enriching life-sharing experiences of icons who have made it big in their respective vocations. Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is conducted under the aegis of Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad Foundation, Pune, India, and Myers MIT School of Government in collaboration with Union Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, Ministry of Higher and Technical Education, and Ministry of Sports and Youth Welfare, Government of Maharashtra, and supported by UNESCO Chair of Human Rights, Democracy, Peace and Tolerance, Pune, Association of Indian Universities, AIU, and Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. United Nations, SAARC, Commonwealth and Inter-Parliamentary Union, Geneva have also participated, and some of them have even extended their support. In India, it is ably supported by some ministries of Government of India and Government of Maharashtra. Important Indian parliamentarians, speakers of state legislative assemblies, and political leaders of different orientations and ideologies. Politically and socially active students from 450 universities, 30,000 colleges, and 29 states of India are subjected to a rigorous selection process adopted by the colleges independently, and 10 to 12,000 of them finally make way to participate at the flagship annual conclave of Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad. It is a great platform where student leaders from all over the nation expressed their thoughts.
We can be lovable girlfriends and boyfriends. We can be outstanding general secretaries of our colleges. Then why not a responsible, willing, and a politics-friendly citizen of this nation?
It is essential for the youth to understand and accept the significance of these diverse cultures, as it enables them to develop positive attitude.
We have to take the concept of this very student parliament to every state, every college, every university, every school and every panchayat.
Every session commences by the opening remarks of Vice Chancellors and chaired by one of the honorable speakers of Legislative Assembly from different states of India.
Every politician is not corrupt.
We are proud of this kind of unique and colorful union.
हमारी एकता कैसे आगे बढ़े, नौजवानों इसे आपको सोचना है.
Eminent personalities address the huge audience and guide them with their life-changing experience.
I salute you because you are going to be the builder of this great nation.
All of you can work together to create a context whereby there need not be poverty in this country.
Who follow the principles of work with integrity and succeed with integrity.
काश हमारे पार्लियामेंट भी दिमाग की बात छोड़ के दिल की बात ऐसे करने लग जाए. देश और 20 साल के बाद नहीं, कल सुपर पावर बन जाएगा.
We should use our intelligence, our common sense, and with sense of responsibility.
The young people of India are showing us that they do not lack in enthusiasm, idealism, sacrifice, passion, fervor, and a deep commitment to the future of the country.
It's a great honor and privilege to be here, the 5th Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad.
कि आप अच्छा काम करेंगे, देश को बदलेंगे, आपको असुविधाएं आएंगी, आपको दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन मेरे दोस्तों डरना मत.
अगर हमारे नेता अच्छे होंगे, उनको अगर सही विजन होगी, सही दिशा होगी, तो देश की भी अच्छी दशा होने वाली है. और इसलिए नेताओं का निर्माण कैसे करना, और सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के सामने ये महत्वपूर्ण सवाल है.
हमें ऐसी राजनीति करनी होगी जिस राजनीति में हम सचमुच एक सदाचारी राजनीति कर सकें और बादलों से निकली पानी की बूंदों को पकड़ के बेपानी होती धरती को पानीदार बना सकें.
We can! We can!
हर क्षेत्र में प्रशिक्षण बहुत जरूरी है. हिंदुस्तान में पोटेंशियल इतना है कि कोई उसकी सीमा नहीं. 21वीं शताब्दी को हम भारत की शताब्दी बना करके दिखाएंगे.
This experiment of holding student parliament is unique in nature. It is not an ordinary experiment. It's a cause for national unity.
Every one of you can join this politics and build a new India.
There is no force on earth mightier than an idea whose time has come.
जिनमें सोच है, हिम्मत है आगे बढ़ने की और सही रास्ता पकड़ने की.
We want new ideas to drive India to once again become a global power to lead the world.
और मेरे बेटा बेटियों, आज इस छात्र संसद के डाइस पे खड़े रह के शिवराज सिंह चौहान ये घोषणा करता है कि भौतिकता की अग्नि में दग्ध विश्व मानवता को शाश्वत शांति के पथ का दिग्दर्शन अगर कोई कराएगा तो हमारा भारत कराएगा. ये भारत भूमि कराएगी, इस देश के विचार कराएंगे.
कि आज देश के सामने सबसे बड़ी चुनौती अगर कोई होगी तो जो युवा शक्ति देश में है, उस युवा शक्ति को एक राह दिखाने की, उसको शिक्षा देने की, उसको कौशल्य प्रशिक्षित करने की और उसको रोजगार देने की.
हमें अपनी गलती स्वीकार करनी पड़ेगी, धर्म वालों को अपनी गलती सुधारनी पड़ेगी. हम रास्ते से भटक रहे हैं, सही रास्ते पर नहीं चल रहे हैं. हमें सही इस्लाम, सही सनातन धर्म और जितने धर्म हैं उनको सही मानों में पकड़ना चाहिए, जो इंसानियत से शुरू होता है और इंसानियत यानी मानवता पर खत्म होता है.
युवा शक्ति में जागरूक होना जरूरी है. अगर वो जाग गया तो कल का भविष्य दूर नहीं है. भारत माता की वंदे वंदे. इंकलाब इंकलाब.
मिट्टी में मिला दे, मैं जुदा हो नहीं सकता. अब इससे ज्यादा मैं तेरा हो नहीं सकता. बस तू मेरी आवाज से आवाज मिला दे, फिर देख के इस देश में क्या हो नहीं सकता.
Dear students, I am delighted to address young people and students on the occasion of Indian Student Parliament.
Youth is the one who is going to be the future tomorrow, and for the country's prosperity and development, it is necessary that we also work in politics.
I am very honored and I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to talk to India's up-and-coming leaders.
Today, youth are the solution to these challenges. We need you to act as global citizens.
We welcome your efforts to train and encourage active participation in democratic processes by the youth of India, the world's largest democracy.
Well, with great admiration, I'm very impressed by the way the whole thing has been organized to bring the young people of India together.
The convening of this parliament will help recognize the important role the youth can play in the overall development of our region.
We have much in common, and we in the UK have much to learn from you as student leaders in India, with the Indian Student Parliament represents an incredibly exciting movement for change.
History was made during the 3rd Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad when 10 youth wing leaders assembled on one dais.
We, the student leaders of India, pledge to participate in constructive political process. It is my duty to uphold its democratic traditions and values.
This was perhaps for the first time that, cutting across party lines and ideologies, the youth wing leaders came together to administer the oath for strengthening democracy. After every session, one resolution based on the theme related to the session is put to vote, where votes were given by the young audience. If passed by the assembled leaders in majority, it is then sent to respective government bodies for implementation. Each academic session of the conclave witnesses felicitation of 2 young members of legislative assemblies from different states of India. The idea is to encourage youth participation in politics by recognizing the positive change these young legislatures have brought in the society. In order to promote the idea of public service and spirit of democracy amongst youth in public life, outstanding young Sarpanch from different villages of the country were felicitated during the 5th Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad. These young Sarpanch have been chosen on the basis of their performance and contribution in the comprehensive development of their village. Their sense of commitment towards their village and its people would inspire many youngsters to get into public life. During the Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad, various awards and honors are given to eminent personalities who are inspirations for today's young leaders. Recipients of Jeevan Gaurav Puraskar. Gargi Maitrey Puraskar can provide extraordinary motivation for the young minds. The event is widely covered by electronic and print media at regional, national and international level. In addition to private television channels, Lok Sabha TV and Rajya Sabha TV provide full coverage of the event. With each passing year, Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is gaining new grounds. More and more student leaders are adapting to the idea of entering public life through politics and shouldering the responsibility of serving the nation with determination and devotion. They have taken an oath to rid politics of criminalization and corruption and provide good governance at all costs so that India achieves a place of pride on the international scene. Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is an initiative to be the change